exercise, but I'm pretty hopeless at both in my own eyes. I achieve more than enough from staring at you, you are my crush. I've decided finally I'll write you a letter of love and you will see. But I'm missing Wonder Man, the courage to put it in your hand.
Hey, don't you think I see you over there? Hey, tell me what you want. Come on, say it now.
I'm a young baby, that's right. Don't you think the weather is such a wonderful sight? I'm so glad cause it is a wonderful day.
Why don't you tell me why you are shaking like that? What are you hiding there right behind on your back? Please show me now. Hey, look at me, I overflow with all of my beauty and charm. I am so pro. And my tie is made, of course, by Bayberry custom-made excellent source. What is that, I wonder now? I have never heard of a berry with brand name. And here I won't allow you holding a rose in your mouth for fame. Hey, are you busy? The Sunday coming up. I've got lessons today. Maybe another time. Little kid denials get of his perfection. Winter's written. I can't help all the jealousy I receive from other girls. The princess confident she holds in her view. I am a little jealous, I'm wanting you to. It's starting to get This guy is a childhood friend, he is so lame. You can describe him with a lamp. We are in the middle of a little chat, is that okay?
This is pretty bad, I won't be standing back. I'm not a timid guy today. So please take my letter, Madam President, and read it now. When I see your beautiful hair, it's swaying in the wind, I only can stare. Do you hear that? My heart is pounding with love, etc.
You are quite good with writing, that I'll admit. But you will choose the beauty and that will be it. Don't you agree with love from you? How made me amazing. The decision is why I am quite pleased. There is one thing that I've been thinking about, and this is it. Oh, all the stupid days just precisely like this. I hope I'll never stop, cause it's time I would miss. Oh, well,